Right here is my new hunting spot, okay? Right here is where we grow grapes, and there's a fence line right here. Over here, they do their best to control all the squirrels, but over here, this is where all the squirrels are breeding. So I'm gonna post up right along that fence line today and knock these suckers out. It rained all day yesterday, and look at right here. You see that path right there? The pigs go underneath this fence, and check this out. They go all the way over here to the vineyards, and look at all the damage they've done so far. Holy cow. We gotta handle those fools soon too. I'm not seeing many squirrels right now. They might have already eaten, they're just relaxing. So in the meantime, I'm gonna put these on. Last time I came out here was about 5 days ago. Almost stepped on a rattlesnake. So I'm gonna put these around my lower legs. That way I don't get bit. Kind of look like a catcher. This is new too to the channel. I got a little wind meter. It's a little budget one, but it's doing really good. 6 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour. Look at how our wind gusts are here. This is nothing to get up to like 10 miles per hour. We usually get like 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gust, but this will give you guys an idea of what I'm working with. Turkey vultures on the hunt. They're gonna be happy today. I'll be shooting with the FX Impact M4 Sniper today. I got a Sonus silencer on it. I've got the Element scope going. It's a 4 to 16 power. Just a beautiful setup right here, man. Everything else is stock other than that silencer. So I'm gonna be shooting some pellets today, about 44 grain slugs or pellets, and I might shoot some slugs, we'll see. Scope elevation was off. I've been making the biggest rookie mistake. I haven't been changing my elevation between shots. What a freaking idiot. Man, this wind is like kicking up. Right on the money. That was about 65 yards. Right across the way here is about 100 yards, anywhere from 90 to 100. Right in this area here is about 60, and right in this area is about 60. Ooh. This Sonus silencer is so quiet that I can shoot one and within seconds another one comes out. Oh, got him. Lost him. This guy over here. There's one in a bush way up on that hill. I'll be lucky if I can get him, but let's try. Oh, they're going right. No way. How was the wind pushing? It wasn't going right, it was going left. wind's coming this way, but up there it's going left. Wow. Nailed them. 81 yards. This FX Impact air gun is a laser. If you watched my last video where I did an accuracy test, about 30 yards it's shooting a couple inches over. At about 50 yards it's a little bit more than that. And then back down at 70 is right on the money. Some of these shots today have been around 50 yards or so I've been having to aim a little low. We're gonna go ahead and change locations. It's pretty dead over here right now, probably because it's still early in the day, but I wanna tell you a little story. The other day I shot a squirrel, and about 5 minutes later, its buddy came over and started helping it. And I thought it was helping pull the body back into the hole, but then I realized it was actually trying to eat its buddy. So these are some nasty squirrels. The grape growers do everything they can to minimize the squirrels, but you know, these cages and stuff only do so much. The poison only does so much. I mean, they're prolific, man. These suckers mate like crazy. They multiply like crazy. And when there's nothing to stop them on the other side of this fence, it gets out of control. So that's why I'm here. I picked this spot over here because I know the squirrels like to get up in these bushes, and the first one I saw over here was in the bushes. I've already went through one magazine. I started at 250 bar on my pressure gauge. I'm sitting at about 210 right now, so I got a long ways to go. I can usually shoot when it gets down to about a little over 100. Man, these suckers are tough. That last one, I had a thread right below the fence there, man. Not that easy of a shot, especially with the wind. And I had to judge it right below my normal 0 point. So, wish I would have got him in a lethal area, but it is what it is. While we wait, let's talk about the FX air gun here real quick. This is the magazine, and this is pretty much the beginning of your barrel. So your barrel runs from there all the way down to the end. So even though it looks like your barrel might be from about here to there, it's actually from there to there. That's how this little Sniper M4 FX Impact gets all that velocity. I got this guy at 71 yards in the bush. Wind coming left to right. It's not windy right now. Let's take a shot. Oh. Not sure if I got him. Yards, wind coming a little left, right. Oh, nailed him. About 65 yards. Let's see if we can get him. Laying down low. Oh man, right on the money. Okay, I have this one posted up in the bushes, about 80 yards or so, 81. Wind's going left to right. I'm gonna see if I can sling one out there on him. I'm not sure I got him. I didn't hear the thump. You can see it narrowly missed his vitals. one about 79 yards. Wind about 8 miles left to right. Got him. This is what I love about these modern air rifles. Here's 250 bar. I'm only down to about 180. I've gone through 2 magazines and some, so that's 44 plus pellets. And I can go all the way down to around 100 on this pressure gauge. So I'm still rocking, no problem. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching. Man, I had to go through 2 fences on that one. But I appreciate you guys commenting, liking, and sharing this video out. Until next time, we'll see you later.